Hi everyone, today I'm looking at the FLATE Barista Rack. It's a shelf system for your espresso gear. I tried it out and let's check it together.
This is how my coffee corner looked like before. It was a completely chaos and I started losing things. I also couldn't find the right place for my portafilter, my WDT tools, and my tempers. Here is where the FLATE Barista Racks came into the picture. Let's start with the package. The rack comes in a flat, sturdy box. Everything inside is well protected, so nothing arrives damaged or bent. Inside the box you get the metal barista rack frame. It feels immediately robust in a high premium quality. You also get a very funny sticker that says "Get your together" and a screws and wall plug set. I got the set that also comes with a universal barista shelf. This one is even more strong and more robust. Now let's install the racks together. First, hold the rack against the wall and use a bubble level tool to make sure it's perfectly straight. Then mark the drill holes with a pencil. Drill the wall. Use a hammer to gently tap in the wall plugs. Screw the rack securely into the wall. Do the same with a universal barista shelf. You can actually cover the metal screws with colored plastic pieces. This small finish makes the difference between a high quality product and a low quality product. And for me, this is a very important thing. Now here's how the set looks like on the wall. I choose the black color because it fits my Meraki machine and it makes my coffee corner looks better. But you have the option to choose from different colors. Now let's see how I use it in real time. So you can hang portafilters, tempers, and towels. And you can place on the shelf cups, milk pitchers, and other coffee tools. The barista rack keeps everything organized so you always know where your tools are. It gives you more room to prepare coffee, definitely making your morning coffee routine faster and easier. And basically just keeps your accessories handy.
If you care about having a clean, neat coffee setup and want a place for your portafilter, tempers, and accessories,
And if your coffee corner looks like that,
this rack is really smart and an easy solution. It doesn't make coffee by itself, but it makes your coffee corner much more organized.
thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.